This is the solution video for the trick Incredible. Now, before we go into too many details, we should first note that the word Incredible has exactly 10 letters in it. So for the trick to work, we need the spectator's card to be at the 10th position in the pile they select. Okay, let's begin. Just like in the trick, I have here 20 cards from the deck. If the spectator cuts it in half, there will be approximately 14 cards in each pile. Now, this trick works for piles of cards 10 to 19, so we have a bit of a buffer zone in case the spectator does not cut the deck exactly in half. To start, we will examine the case where a pile has 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's say the spectator cuts the deck in half and selects a pile that has 10 cards in it. They will count those cards, get to the number 10. They will sum together the digits in 10. 1 plus 0 is 1, and because it's 1, they will look at the first card from the bottom of the deck. In this case, it's the Jack of Diamonds, the first card. Now, because the pile only has 10 cards, the bottom card, the Jack of Diamonds, is also the 10th card from the top. So, when I spell out Incredible, which has 10 letters, I-N-C-R-E-D-I-B-L-E, I reveal the Jack of Diamonds, the spectator's card. So the trick works for piles of 10 cards. What about 11? If I add an 11th card to this pile, the spectator would count 11. They would sum together the digits in 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. And look at the second card from the bottom. In this case, 1, 2. Again, the Jack of Diamonds. The Jack of Diamonds, which we know is the 10th card from the top. And therefore, the trick will work for piles of 11 cards. What about 12? We add a 12th card. The spectator counts to 12. They would sum together the digits in 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, the Jack of Diamonds, which is the 10th card from the top. Now, this pattern continues all the way to 19. For every card I add into this pile, the digit in the ones of the number of cards in the pile goes up by 1. 13 to 14, the digit in the ones is 4 and 3, and that's going up by 1. So because it goes up by 1, they look one card deeper into the deck, and it will always be the 10th card, in this case, the Jack of Diamonds. Now, the trick breaks once we get to 20. When I get to 20 cards, the digit in the ones is a 0, the digit in the tens is a 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, and the second card from the bottom in a pile of 20 is clearly not the 10th card from the top. The trick also doesn't work for piles of 9 cards. Because I'm counting to 10, when I spell out Incredible, if I have 9 cards or less, I run out of cards. So that's how the trick works. The most important thing to remember is that the word Incredible has 10 letters in it, so we need the spectator's card to be at the 10th position in the pile.